This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, commonly known as Hershey. Checking out these DuPonts. It is amazing that we have two over here. Truly amazing, because these were hand-built, as the owner said, assembled cars, because they did use various components from all over, including the engine. But they were quite expensive. They were in the $4,000 to $5,000 price range. We're going to explore the assembly over here. You'll see the before and after. Let's take a close look, shall we? Overhead valves. Look at this. Jeez. My gosh.
You're taking a few pictures for
Yeah, they're that rare and that high-end.
Oh gosh. Now you can see the way how the bodies were built. And this is why they take such massive restoration. This is like perfect with the glass. You can see the plexiglass down there.
You can see how bad the wood was.
Now look at the way how this construction is. Now you see why these bodies rot away. It's not the metal, it's the wood. Wow.
And we did all the mechanics.
This has the aluminum bracing over there.
We were originally just going to do the cowl because this is where the dash and all the wiring is, because we want to be able to run and drive it. And then we started thinking, Dwight started poking me and saying, maybe we should do more of it. So it just kind of morphed into this. So we thought, you know, it'd be fun to just display it with all of its wood and glory. And this is us putting it together in the shop. Then this is the body. And then that's some of the metal fabrication. The frame was cracked.
You should take some credit for it too.
We even polished the edges of it so that you don't really see the, almost don't see the joints.
What a rare treat this is, folks. What a rare treat. Not only seeing DuPont, seeing two DuPonts, and seeing how this whole thing is. Fire in order. Look at that updraft carburetor, typical. Look at how this car is built. I like the under the cowl lamps. Wow.
I'll tell you what, you have to make everything really tidy when you have it all exposed. Oh, this is awesome.
Wow.
This is a treat.
Yeah. People are loving it. They love actually being able to see all the detail that's underneath it and stuff.
You guys should be very proud. It is really cool.
And the gators on the commercial ones is working real good. It's not slinging that would be hard to do.
This wasn't all that many months ago.
Yeah, when we get back, we're still have the sand edges. Small stuff. Yeah.
This edge is polished edges this year. It's pretty cool.
It goes pretty quick. It's just wet
Did you do it by hand?
Well, and then you wet sand red by hand.
Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet.